Today we are going to talk about how to assemble a wine press and how to take grape juice out of it. Okay?
Okay.
So I'll just tell you quickly how we assemble this. This plate and the legs would come in along with the screws. We attach 6 screws at the bottom to attach the legs. This rod will come separately with the nut. You tighten, you put in the washer and tighten the nut here, and your wine press is ready.
Okay.
You want to talk about this bag?
Yes. Now, why do we use that?
Okay, what will happen is when we have these fruits, etc., some of these fruits might go out of the holes in the basket.
Yeah.
Right? So we only want the juice. We don't want the fruit pulp as well.
Yeah.
So we are going to keep it inside a mesh. So in the mesh, only the juice will come out and the skin is left behind. And this bag will come with a hole in the center.
So you can put it on this?
Yes.
Oh, great. Okay.
And after this, you are going to put in the basket.
Okay, now which quality is this?
This basket is made out of beech wood. Beech wood is a kind of a hard wood, so that will allow you to use this wine press for many years to come together.
Okay, okay. Now, one more thing. Will we separate the branches?
The stems?
Yeah.
We see in this wine press, since we are using green grapes today, the skin of the grapes, green grapes don't give you too much of flavor. So we can separate out, but we can let these stems be along with it. However, I like to separate it out because I'm more used to making red wine. In the red wine, we store the skins as well. But it is up to you. When we press it, the seeds and the stems will not get crushed, so you will not get getting the bitterness from them. Okay?
So that's why we don't use a mixer?
The mixer why we don't use this because a lot of the grapes, the wine grapes in the market, who ate the grape? So a lot of grapes in the wine grapes in the market, they have very, very thick seeds in them. In the mixer, the seeds will get crushed. Also, the skin also breaks down, and when the skin is cut using the blades of the mixer, it will release a lot of tannins, and it will also make the wine a little bit hazy. The seeds, if they get crushed, it will make the wine bitter. So that is the reason why a wine press is used.
Oh.
Okay? And it's a very simple instrument. It doesn't require any electricity.
Yeah.
So we see. You can leave the stems behind. I like to take it out, so I'm just quickly taking it out.
Okay. I'll help.
Yeah, please do.
You can use your fridge's basket or any basket you have. And what about the wood? Won't it get spoiled?
See, this is made from beech wood. It is a specifically hardwood which can withstand a lot of these grape juice. And also, we are not going to use this quite often, right? So, your mother would be using a wooden chopping board?
Yeah.
Right? So, there also the wood gets contact with the food material. And after the using, if you're cleaning it well, then nothing happens. You can use it for many times.
Oh, that's great. One more thing, can we crush something else instead of grapes?
Yes, I'll try to crush some oranges as well today.
Oh, that's it. How about the watermelon?
Yes, we can crush watermelon as well. After you fill the grapes, grapes in the basket, we are going to put in the wooden separators that also come along with the wine press.
Okay.
Can you put the separators, please?
Okay.
So before we put the separators, we are going to close the basket.
Oh, okay.
Right?
That's why you were saying we don't need to wash it because it won't be in any contact of the
Yes.
food.
The screw you don't need to wash, but the other things which are specifically the things which are painted, it is good if you wash them. Then we'll put 2 rods like this.
This has to come like this?
Yes, at 90 degrees. The idea is that we are distributing the weight so that it is an even crushing that happens.
Not like...
No, if it slants, then it will be no good.
Yeah.
So we put the separator. You have to ensure that with the separators, the weight is evenly distributed.
Okay.
And now is the fun part. We will start squeezing. And before you start squeezing, what is the most important thing?
The container.
The collection container. If you forget the collection container, all your effort will go to waste. Okay?
Yeah.
So there is this lip there. So you just keep the container below that. Make sure that your wine press is on a flat level surface so that it flows naturally.
Okay.
Now, do you want to start squeezing? Sure. You can stand and squeeze as well. You can keep this on the table and stand and squeeze. Whatever is comfortable with you, you can do that.
Okay, yeah, it's going a bit in. I see it. I just can't wait for the juice to start coming out.
Yeah.
We can wear an apron, or if you don't have an apron, you can even wear some old clothes. Yeah.
See, this is clear cold pressed juice made from this wine press.